What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Faddy. Today I'm going to do another install video, tutorial video, in case you guys love those. Pretty much I am going to install a boost gauge for my Supra. So if you guys want to know how to get a boost gauge set up on these cars, stay tuned.
Supra.
So the boost gauge I got is the Rebel VLS. It used to be a Tanabe digital boost gauge, so now it's just a Rebel VLS boost gauge. It's a pretty nice boost gauge. I want to stay away from the analog. You can check my other video for my STI when I installed the Defi one. I just wanted to try something different. Wanted to get the digital one, so I got this one. Alright, so I am going to be mounting it right here. I'm going to replace my stock clock. It's a 52 mil, so this one just pops right out, and 52 mil gauge will fit right into it. So a lot of Supra owners usually replace that. I already have a clock in my head unit, so I don't really need one. So this is a really good spot, and it's pretty much right in front of you. So in order for us to get through it, I would have to remove this dash trim. If you guys don't know how to do it, and if you guys want to know how to do it, check out the video right here on my head unit. It will tell you how to remove this dash trim for the 93 to 98 Supras. This is a right-hand drive, so I'm pretty sure the instruction is pretty much the same as the left-hand drive Supras. It comes with this sensor, so I'm probably gonna mount it right here. So it's pretty much gonna be like this. It's gonna sit like that, or facing it this way. So the vacuum line is actually gonna go around, and right up on line, I'm gonna tap it underneath this boost pressure sensor right here. Underneath there's a hose, so it goes down to right there. So I'm just gonna use that and tap it from there. Alright, so the unit came with a T-tap, a wiring harness for the sensor, and then a wiring harness for the back of the gauge and power. And it also came with this, looks like a filter between the lines, in case if you want to protect your boost gauge from any oil going in there. So yeah, gonna be riding that through the firewall, which is the same route that I use to go into my amp wire. So it's gonna go through that hose, and it's gonna go behind the footwell up here. So ran into a little problem. So the wiring that provided, I was gonna use that spot for my boost sensor. Here's the the harness to plug in the back of it. So owning a right-hand drive car, instead of going this way, I have to route it this way to go into this firewall that goes inside here, up to the dash, and behind here to plug into the back of the boost gauge. The problem is that the harness that they provided is too short. So here it is, and I have to route it here, and I only have that much wire to work with. So that is a bummer. This one is really short. So I have two options now. One option is to splice the original harness and add an extension wire to it, which I don't really want to do. The second option is just pretty much wire a longer vacuum line into the car, and then the sensor would actually be inside the car. That's probably the best route that I'm probably going to do, so I'm going to do that. Pretty much got the vacuum lines in, so if you guys want to look. So behind here is the filter. I ran it through, T-tapped it right there, and it's running off this line down here underneath the boost pressure sensor. Then that line runs behind all the way around. As you can see right here. So it's running all the way around through the firewall or fender well, through the firewall, and then the sensor is tucked underneath back there. So ran the wire for one of them right here behind here. So I'm gonna tap into the clock power, which is these four right here. So the wiring for this is pretty much red goes into the red wire. The black ground is going to the white and black wire, and then the 12 volt accelerator on, that is going to the for this wire is the white wire, and it's going to the blue and pink wire. This is the dimmer. I don't really need it, so I just left it out. Alright, so plugged it in. So we're gonna do a first test. There's the gauge. So we're gonna see how it looks. Alright, so the gauge lit up. So that means everything's good. So now we just gotta put everything back together and we should be golden. Alright guys, boost gauge is in. Panels are in. Just gotta do a final twist. Okay. So yeah, everything's put back together. Now we just gotta do an initial startup to see the boost reading. So it's at 0. Lights up. So it should read at 19 vacuum, 20 vacuum, which is so it's perfect. So vacuum, I rev it up, it goes up. So perfect. Yeah, everything's good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned something from the install. If you guys have any questions, feel free to send me a message, comment below, let me know what you guys think of this boost gauge, if you think that there's any other gauges I think I should get. So till then, hope you guys enjoy, see you later, peace.